Hello there, this is Victoria and I'm going to show you how to keep track of your work and just track progress, leverage collaboration using Squibler's list capability. So right here we go to general fiction, which is what englobes everything in our book. And as you can see here, we have a few folders assigned to someone. And then we have the due dates for all of our folders, which are mostly chapters. And then we have the status. So besides done, first draft, and in progress, we have a revised draft, technical verification, localization, SEO optimization, which are beneficial if you are working with different people or just have a big project that requires more attention in terms of status completion. We also have the targeted words, progress, achieved words in priority. So for the priority, we have both high and normal. And besides these columns, we can add, let's remove these two and add label and rating. So for rating, it's just based on stars. Makes it easy to visualize. And the labels are useful if you need to categorize your work or just divide it for some sort of reason. If you need any help navigating the list part on our dashboard, just feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to help.